Well, good morning, everyone. Been a while since we've put anything out, but it's roughly 5:25, and I got to walk a few hundred feet down to pick up the backhoe that was dropped off at the neighbor's house. Not ours, but at the neighbor's house. So this should be interesting. Well, we finally got it, so this should be good. Everyone, good morning. Good morning, Max. How are you? Yes, it's a beautiful day, or it will be. All right, so what I wanted to show you initially, when I found out they already had the tractor here, that is the fire way up at the Molino Basin, basically at the beginning of Mount Lemmon. If you are familiar with Tucson, or if you Google it on Earth, if you look at the Catalina Highway, the Molino Basin, pretty good views, pretty good territory over there as far as sites, etc. You can look back and to the southwest and see pretty much all of Tucson. But in the meantime, we got the old John Deere 310, courtesy of Herc Rentals. Oh, excuse me, the 310L EP. And what we're going to be doing is tearing a bunch of stuff out that I've let go way too long. It's this crap here, and then as the day progresses, I'm hoping to get most of this done because I think it's supposed to be 109, 110, and then on the days that I go back to work, it's like 98, 97. So that's typical of what normally happens, but we'll get this bad boy fired up, and hopefully I'll get some shots that you can enjoy, and we will go from there. So stay tuned, everybody. Just want to tell you, I know I'm overweight and big, but that seat belt, you could easily accommodate an 8-foot girth, and the seat, on the other hand, probably max 18 inches wide. My hips were killing me. So for all the people that are going to comment, I'll tell you right now, I'm not an equipment operator. The tractors and equipment I've used have been Caterpillar, and for whatever reason, this thing really was a pain in the rear end to learn the nuances of the controls. In fact, really think I probably should have edited a little bit more of this, because this is absolutely ridiculous. I could not get the boom to release. Good God.